per usual, we're starting by priming our face, and I have the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer. And I feel like, let me shake it up a bit because I haven't used it in quite a minute. And this really kind of, I feel like it's kind of like the strobe cream from MAC. And if you see, it's like very, it picks up light very good. So that will do it to prime our face. Next, for a little bit more glow, kick it up just a notch, I'm taking my Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I'm in the shade 207, which is Sand Beige. I find that this product I have to really shake, because since it does have SPF 15, I feel like there's little like white particles or white little dots everywhere. So I have to make sure that I agitate it a bit and then make sure to blend really well. Taking that with my Morphe beauty sponge. Moving on to eyebrows, I'll be using my Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and I'm in the shade number 4. To prep my eyelid, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium, and just applying that over the lid to create a clean canvas. Taking the Lemonade Craze palette. If you watched my other all drugstore makeup tutorial, I talked about this palette that I picked up along with the Soda Pop palette, and it is by Maybelline. The colors are really cute. I personally love them. This is right up my alley. I'm going to do something a little bit different today, and I was actually wearing this like last week. And I posted a Snapchat, and a few of you DM'd me and asked if I was going to film this. So here I am. Let's get right into it. First, I'm taking this color right here, which is Sherbet, and placing this all over my lid. With my Morphe M504 brush. Next, I will be taking Coral Punch, which is this very cute corally pink color right here. I'm placing that in the crease and right above the crease. taking my BH Cosmetics V5 brush, I'll be taking Ice Pop, which is this color right here, and putting this in my crease. I'm actually going to start by kind of patting this in. It seems like I don't get that much pigment with this shade. Is blended out nicely, I am going to take my Tarte Shape Tape once again. I'm putting that in the inner lid. Want to prep it. Next, I'm taking Lemonade Craze, which is this color right here, and popping that on top of the concealer. I feel like this color in particular is rather chalky. Next, I'm taking the shade Citrus and putting it on top of that yellow. With a heavy hand, I'm taking some Fix Plus and spraying that. I'm putting it right on top of that yellow. I'm going back in with Ice Pop, which is this color right here, and my packing brush that I used before, and kind of stamping the outer corner just to kind of darken my outer V. I'm also taking Old Fashioned, which is this color right here, with the same brush, just using the other side. I'm putting just a tad of that brown. Now I'm taking the V5 and I'm really just working that into my outer V. So I went ahead and used my Ardell Natural lashes and also put some eyeliner on. I used my Tardiest eyeliner by Tarte and my Big Shot mascara. And moving on to concealer, I'll be using my Naked Skin concealer in light neutral, putting this under my eyes. To set that, I'm taking my Real Techniques contour brush and taking the color Lucid from the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour and just setting that. To complete my lower lash line, I'm taking Sweet Tea, which is this color right here. I also want to take Sugar Coated, which is this shimmery color right here, and putting that in my lower lash line as well. Taking a Morphe R41, which is this pointy brush right here, I'm taking Main Squeeze, which is this right here, and putting this in the inner corner. Just to make it really pop. Moving on to my face, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Pore in Buff Beige, which is this one right here. I'm taking my MAC 187 brush and just making sure that I set my foundation. Today I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Deep. I buy this a shade darker. This kind of browns up the face. More like contour. For blush today, I'll be using my Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in Party. It's a very pretty muted pink. For highlight today, because I want to bring out the yellow tones in my eyeshadow, I'm using my Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Fuego highlight. This is a very, very pretty highlight. I'll be using my Dose of Colors Katie and Desi Over the Top Gloss. And just my lips. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, which is this one right here. I'm not sure if you can pick up the bottom. So guys, this completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me and playing with this palette. I just wanted to thank you guys for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing and also hitting that notification bell down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also leave a comment. Let me know that you watched the video and what you thought. And also, I'm open to suggestions. Just want to give you guys a little sneak peek. Next video, we'll be playing with this bad boy, so we'll see what I come up with. I am so stoked. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.